Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna show you all how to prepare Hyderabadi Mutton Biryani and cucumber mint raita. Before getting started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 750 grams of fresh mutton, 5 pieces of cardamom, 3 cinnamon sticks, 6 pieces of cloves, half a teaspoon of mace, 1 star anise, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 bay leaves, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 small cup of fried onions, 1 large tomato, 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee or butter, 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, a handful of coriander and mint leaves, 3 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, juice of 1 large lemon, salt according to your taste, 1.5 cups of basmati rice, washed and soaked in water for about 30 minutes. Now let's get started. Add half a teaspoon of rock salt along with the tomato and blend it to get tomato puree. This step is optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. Now the tomato puree is ready. I have washed the mutton pieces using turmeric powder to get rid of the smell. Now add around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, juice of 1 full lemon, one star anise, 3 cinnamon sticks, 5 to 6 pieces of cloves and cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, bay leaves, half teaspoon of mace. Now I am adding all the spices, that is 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder. Then I am adding around 3 tablespoons of fresh yogurt, 3 green chilies, some coriander and mint leaves, one cup of tomato puree, some fried onions, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, now mix all the ingredients along with the mutton pieces. Now cook it in a pressure cooker until you get 5 whistles on a medium flame or until the mutton pieces are completely done. Now let's prepare the rice. For that, add about 1.5 cups of basmati rice to the boiling water. And then add about 1 tablespoon of oil and let the rice cook until it's 70% done. Now after getting 5 whistles, wait for about 20 minutes and then check if the pressure is released and then open the pressure cooker. Now check if the mutton pieces are cooked well. By then the rice is also 70% done. Now I am draining the water. Our rice is also ready. Now I am transferring the rice above the gravy. If you want, you can do layering. Now add some coriander and mint leaves. Then some fried onions. And then add about 4 tablespoons of ghee and some butter pieces to it. Cover the pot with an aluminium foil and leave it on a low flame for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna prepare cucumber and mint raita. For that we need 2 shredded cucumber, half lemon and some mint leaves, a cup of fresh curd, half teaspoon of cumin powder, salt. Now remove the excess water from the shredded cucumber. Then add juice of half lemon, some mint leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, some salt to the fresh curd and blend it well. Now add the blended mixture to the shredded cucumber and mix it well. Our raita is ready. Now after 30 minutes, our Hyderabadi Mutton Biryani is also completely done. Mix the rice well with the gravy. Now our Hyderabadi Mutton Biryani is ready to be served. You can see how colorful and fluffy the rice is. Hope you all liked my recipe. Do try this recipe at home and do let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Ingredients are given below in the description box. Do check it out. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates. Thank you all for watching.